wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, damn Mafia gang? You already know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco back in the music club with another banger. And you don't know yourself and the title we are dealing with today. They want that better mad, you know. They want that better, hey, they better be a hit, you know. Cause you see two artists, you see two artists in the game right now. Yeah, man, me have money on them, man. Them do good for young youths. You see me in the game, so more of them strive for greatness. And if you don't know who I talk about, you should know what I talk about, man. We're there with Mr. Sinful himself, you know. Yes, sir. Mr. Hell will raise, you know. You see me, and we there, and who else we there, man? We there with the one Senegal boss. You see me, Mr. Paddleboat, Mr. Bantan, Mr. Big Grabber like Bob. Come in, man. I'm Theo, we there, man. With Bob and the rat bat, you know what I'm saying? We there with Najeeriii, the one Senegal boss, and Mr. Sinful himself, RajahWild, you know what I'm saying? The two of them, hey, I actually saw them taking pictures on IG, but I didn't know this is the song they were about to drop, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't know when they was going to drop it, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro, I'm liking all the new school dancehall artists, them are link up, collabs, bro, them the guys, I feel like they might watch me channel now. They might watch my channel, bro. Cause this was like what I've been praying for, bro. You know what I'm saying? Dancehall artists are link up on a collab again. I've been praying for this, bro. You know what I'm saying? And man, they might listen to that. They might take Jambisco orders and teachings. You see me? Yeah, so good phone. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. See what I do? Two that they link up and drop the new tune entitled POLKADOT. And you don't know, I'm interested to see what turns out. Cause them are two very, I'll say, they're the two of the couple hot artists out right now for the new school. Very young youth in the game, and they're doing their thing, making their own wave, making their own noise, got their own little buzz, and they're doing their thing. They're linking up and they got their own style, man. And I like it. You know what I'm saying? So more power to them. So before we jump into the track, guys, yo, check the link in the description. Yo, our Discord server is live. The Damn Mafia server, Discord server is live. So check it out. Join the server. It's free. It don't gonna cost you anything. You know what I'm saying? Over there, we link up. We chat about music. Music requests, also video ideas, live schedule, prizes, all that stuff is over there, previews, so make sure you join. And you don't know, time for code up, guys. Code is live, man, so do the right thing. And if you're new to the channel and don't know what the code is, over here we live by a code. If you watch a video, like a video, and if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. That's the code we live by, so just do the right thing. You see me and become part of the family. You don't know, gang. Yeah, but yeah, man, we're gonna jump right in the chat. It's Najeeriii, RajahWild, POLKADOT. Let's get it.
Sinful.
Fully. The first thing you hear start the song is Sinful to blood and scourge. Rajah.
But I
like. Hey, I mean, I like how they want to name POLKADOT, you know, them say, yo, the black and white symbolizes the Illuminati, you know, that. I don't try to sound like sex, and I try to say, you know, link in, I go on.
I just want a rich, feel like POLKADOT. She pussy tight and pump a fat. She said, Bobby looking nice, now you don't Sarah. Don't swag, she pop perks and a post pop, bump pop, the cat's plate.
Easy the one. But Spotty feeling like POLKADOT. You see me, the face in the and the bumper fat. Jesus and peace, mom. Don't catch that. Yeah, man, you can't. We'll see it. Come in.
Just jab funds a snap. You have broke some blood clot jugs a land chip and gold.
Hey, man, see, I know pus, pills are pop around here, my youth. You know, yeah, man, black. Man, you know,
Twitch killer thick, monks a Anglican pope. Man, Jivan's out a fat be mal boat.
me a feet too dopey with one hand. Come on, I see now you for know me.
Whoa, Rajah. At 2 o'clock in the morning, I have to go sleep, you know, brother. I have to go sleep in the yawn. Yo, come on, man. Cheese and peas. Yo, Bob, I notice you like drift with beam of them, so you know that till the rim pop off, engine fly out and all that. If you calm down, brother. Calm down, man. And Rajah, brother, come on, bro. Why tooled up you, dog? Couldn't one. Go easy on me, Jimmy. I go sleep, you know.
Man, and then if you send it charge with a phantom, very nice in me the on the phone constant. Bad bitch account up in money like banker. I mean, no sorry for nobody with Bob rap.
No sir, bitch account up in money like banker. I mean, no sorry for nobody with Bob rap. You mad? For what? Sorry for what?
We so shot fuck.
Me not drink some kidney a stone. Me just run the script so she sprint for your loan. I'm a bust down your wrist, mommy pin for your glow. Run the sluts running in so she
Yo, Bob flows be crazy, and this nigga be talking his shit, nigga. Man said done. He said just done his script, so I sprint me a roll. I'm a bust down your ring car, mommy pin for your glow. Blood, glad, come in, pull that up, come in.
sprint for your loan. I'm a bust down your wrist, mommy pin for your glow. Run the sluts running in so she swift with a throat. Dirty funds coming in, so we binge in a dope and guns. Funny pings love is split. It's a total pump, pussy big dirty beam. See that float that done, so she lick body quick for your coach back run.
The man said she done, so she lick body quick for your coach bag. Hey, Bob, I be a chicken girl, let me know, my yo. Me know I like to be a chicken fucking girl, you know. If you put it where she get her lashes and bag, and them thing there, you see me for your hey, Bob, come in, do your thing.
So she lick body quick for your coach back run.
Big rubber like Najeeriii them. Bad bitch I left he ends with cocky bread. I seen her life, me I secure me spot in hell. If me fuck she
Seen her like Najeeriii them. Bad bitch I left your house with what? I don't hear.
just know Corey knocky friend. And if she no mock them a cocky bets. Madman sick in me head. And we a drink white rum out a rabbit head. Mama say fi mix up a liquor with suave.
Rajah, what rabbit do you, bro? What the rabbit? What the poor liquor rabbit do you, bro? You drink rum out a rabbit head. And mix your rum with the Suavitel, bro. Suavitel has soap in the dog, you know, and dead. You're afraid of dead? You got to be today? Wash your clothes today? I'll go on there. Chat to me, bro. Rajah, I need to talk. I need an interview with you, bro. I need to talk to you.
Tell
I'll be like a therapy
anything
session.
my mama say. Me a feet too dopey with one hand. Man a sinner, you for know me a madman. Then he say fi send a charge with a phantom. Dwelling I sin, me dey on the phone constant. Bad bitch I count up the money like banker. I'm no sorry for nobody with bad rap.
No, Sam, I don't feel sorry for you. I'm here for what? Nah, sir. When you me call me good.
Jack from my way so shot fuck.
Yeah, but I see like polkadot. She pussy tight and she bumper fat. She said, Bobby looking nice, now you don't Sarah. Done sa swag, she pop perks and a bust pump bumper pop. They got splurge.
She pop perks. Man said she pop perks and a bump puss bob. Yeah, the man flow is crazy. Listen to the man. The man diction is crazy. And diction mean choice of words for y'all dumb motherfuckers that's gonna be like, why? Come on, let's get it.
Now you don't Sarah. Done sa swag, she pop perks and a bust pump bumper pop. They got splurge, yeah, she just drop funds and snap. Yeah, they have broke some blood clot jugs all and cheap and gold. Fish killer thing, mugs are Anglican pow. Man driven spout of a be mal boat. Hold up in a one hand.
Easy now, man. Yeah, man. Me like it, man. They like new collabs. You them a do them thing for them way, for them style. And you just, you feel me? Hate it or love it, man. You gotta respect it. You know what I'm saying?
You know me a madman. Sergeant Phantom.
Sinful.
These are the new.
Yeah, man. Blood clean, raw, riba, boh, POLKADOT, sinful, RajahWild, man, cynical pass, Najeeriii. Dog, then link up, man. Yeah, man, like a young lady, I'm do it in a dance hall. You see me? Bro, if you go back to my channel, this is all I've been praying for, bro. All I've been praying for, nigga. Niggas, dancehall artists put on the bullshit and start collabing, nigga, linking up. Go back to when my channel just started. You can see when I just started, artists wasn't linking up. Artists wasn't linking up. They wasn't doing collabs like that, bro. And now I say, yo, if they want the genre grow, dog, and shoot out, that's what they gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Because when you start linking up, no, you gotta be creative. I know, you know, artists are push you for be better, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Then that's what's gonna push the genre far. And I'm loving it, man. You know what I'm saying? See all type of different thing. And with the internet, no more gatekeepers and stuff. That's why I see young youths like them I can bust earlier in their age and come with a different, fresh flow to the industry. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, real dope track from RajahWild and Najeeriii, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all did y'all thing. Very fun track, very dope track. Yeah, man, I can see this get added to the list. This playlist, man. No cap. You know what I'm saying? This is a fun track. You see me? Chilling with the dogs, roll with the beat, just on chill vibes, you just out, chilling on the ends type shit, and you just feel like, you know, messing around. Yeah, man, it's a vibe, you know what I'm saying? And you can play it in the club also, so. Yeah, man, shout out to the two artists, them no do them thing, man. Shout out to RajahWild and Najeeriii. Yeah, man, reading to the young youth. They keep doing their thing, keep rising and shooting for the star, man. Only get better, bro. You're young in the game, so you only got growth. You know what I'm saying? You got lots of ways to go, lots of growing to do, so you can only get better from here. So shout out to y'all, man, and keep doing your thing. You don't know. Yeah, man, guys, let me know what your favorite part of the track was. Was it beat, melody, video, whatever it was? Let me know what your favorite part was. And also, if you like, go show the artist some love and support. Let me know, say, Dan Mafia send, you know. You know, see me come so strong over here. Say, you see me, I say, yeah, man, go show the artist some love and support. Also, let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. I don't know. Yeah, man, we there we have vibes around going on Dan Mafia. You see me, when I worry about nobody, you know, I keep yourself in our lane and keep our head straight and keep grinding. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so, yeah, it's a vibe, you see me, so, yeah, man, you don't know, till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. Remember, if you code up, you know, remember, say code is life. You don't know, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know what time it is, gang. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.